This is Subway. That's who we're gonna call.
How can I help you?
Hello, my name is Yanti Shu. How are you today?
I'm good, how are you?
Do you guys have delivery?
Huh?
Do you guys have delivery?
No.
The pick up?
Pick up, yes.
Oh. You guys have $5 foot long?
We have $5 full long for chicken marinara, BLC, spicy Italian, cold cut combo, black forest ham, oven roasted chicken, veggie delight, and the seafood fish.
That sounds very good. Wait, how late you open?
Today until, it depends though, cause now we're slow, so, but regularly we close like 10.
10? So when you close today?
Huh?
When you close today, you already close?
No, we're still open.
How late you open?
Until 10.
10. Okay. I come in later with big family.
Okay.
Probably. Alright, you have good day. Bye bye.
You too.
Okay, bye sec. Idiot, oh my god.